Hey you guys, it's your girl Mia here at Her Southern Touch. I know you guys like the new intro. If so, please subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment, hit the like button, and let me know. Now tonight we will be preparing stuffed bell peppers. So here we have all of the ingredients of what you need. I have green onions, 1 can of tomato sauce, just a small can. I have fresh tomatoes, 1/3 cup. This is just what I use. I have 1 cup of diced mushrooms. I have a 2/3 cup of diced onions. And I also have 2 different kinds of cheese. Sharp cheddar cheese and Italian style cheese. Now you can use whatever cheese you like. That's your choice. Over here, I have my ground beef simmering. So we're just going to let it cook down. We want it well done. We don't want nothing red. And I've added my own seasonings. So I have Italian seasoning, garlic powder, seasoned salt, onion powder. I also have a special seasoning that I add, and I added a little black pepper. So this is just for the ground beef. Okay? Here we have our peppers. I got assorted peppers, so you can get any color you like, or you can get one color, but you have to like bell peppers in order to do this meal. Here I have quinoa and rice. So it's quinoa and brown rice. I'm letting it simmer down because I'm gonna mix all of these ingredients together, and then I'm gonna stuff them inside the bell pepper, and we're gonna bake it off for about 15 to 20 minutes because we don't want them dry. Okay. Now, you have to drain. I don't like to drain all of the fat off the beef, but I do like to drain a lot of it off. And then also, you can also buy a good grade of beef. Now, it looks like I got a good grade of beef here. It doesn't have too much fat on it. So I'm going to let that simmer on down. Smells pretty good, though. I got all my seasonings in. So we're going to let that simmer on down. Don't forget your bell peppers. Now, my bell peppers, I did take them and I steamed them for about 5 minutes. Now, of course, they're still firm, but I didn't want them too firm, but they're soft a little. So I steamed them for about 5 minutes, and then I placed them in the oven for about 2-3 minutes. Okay? Now, my hands are clean. And at the end of the day, these are my damn peppers, and I'm eating them, not you. So I'm just letting you know, I've already washed my hands, and I already began cooking. But I want to show you guys the process, because a couple people always say that they don't get a chance to see me do the full effects of how it goes. Then they get lost on some of the steps. So as you can see, the beef is cooking. Beef cooking. Now you can stuff them with anything you like, especially you people who are vegans. Like I got one of my friends, my best friend Tasha, she's a vegan now. So she doesn't like any meat. So if you were just doing vegetables, you could do the onions, the bell peppers, the tomatoes. You could even do mixed vegetables, rice. Mix it all together, tomato sauce, whatever you like, mix it all together. It's the same thing. Pack it inside the pepper. Now, I don't know if she eats cheese or not, but we do in this household, so we're going to add cheese to ours. Okay? And I hope everybody had a great day. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the button, like, share, comment. I got a couple orders out there, so a lot of people are tuning in. I'm going to get a little fork holder right there, camera woman. I want to taste it, make sure it's got everything in it that I want. And that's Asia, y'all, holding the camera. I heard somebody made a comment in one of my videos. Make sure she knows we can't see you. But that particular day, I was recording myself, not Asia. Pretty good. Good flavor. Okay. Good little flavor. I'm gonna pull a little of this fat off. So let me get something here. I'm gonna pull a little fat off. Then I'm gonna start adding stuff to the ground beef. Take this off. And this is just me. Now if you need a strainer, get you a strainer. I don't need one. Pull some of the fat down the sink. That's the grease, the oil, the fat. Okay? So a good little bit is off. I'm going to stick it back over here. And now I'm going to add my ingredients. Onions. Mushrooms. Still going. Diced tomatoes. Tomato sauce. Stirring. Let me get my spoon. Just keep up, people. Just stirring it around. So we got tomatoes, diced onions, diced mushrooms. I'm waiting on the quinoa. I'm going to add it to the mixture. Well, I'm not going to add it all, because we do have one person who doesn't like stuffed bell peppers. And I got green onions. I'm going to add to the mix. Bring it to life. I'm going to let it stir. While she's filming that cooking, I'm going to do this. Add a little quinoa rice. So it's quinoa and brown rice. Quinoa is good for you now. So if you never tried it, try it. Because quinoa is good for you. So we're just going to mix it around. Let everything break up. Cook, simmer. Now you got to remember, it's going to go back in the oven anyway. Let it cook. Add a little more rice. Save on that. And this is how yours should look. Me personally, I got some cheddar cheese here. While that's cooking, I'm going to add a little cheddar cheese. This is Mia to each bell pepper at the bottom. Just a little sprinkle. Now you have to clean these out and wash the peppers before you do anything. Take the seeds out. Unless you're trying to grow a forest inside yourself. Or grow your own organic products inside of you. So here we go. Mixing it again. I'm going to take a little quick taste. See if I need to add anything. I doubt it, but let's check it out and make sure.
Can I taste?
Camera woman wants to give it a taste. Let's camera woman get a taste. And if you hear her say anything, that means I choked her to sleep. Bad, that is. We gotta do it. Got enough flavor.
That's good.
Camera woman says it's good. Tastes pretty good? Excuse me, camera woman. You don't double dip. You don't take the spoon that you already ate off of and put back in the pot. That's what you don't do. That's a big no-no in the kitchen, ladies and gents.
It is good.
Now I'm gonna try it. That's good. I gotta get a little more seasoning. You said no?
Nah.
You think so? It's good? Alright, cool. I can always add my own if I wanted more. But it is good. So this is all you do. Now we're gonna take this mixture. And I'm gonna get a little scoop. As you can see, I have here. I'm trying not to make a mess. Now I do mine in layers. So I got to, now I'm going to take me some Italian cheese. I do it mixed. You can also press down, because you got to remember. Going back in the oven. Now, this is pretty good. Now you don't have to worry about your starch, your vegetables, and all that, because everything is all in one. As you can see, it's still cooking. All I'm doing is adding it, and I created my own little stands in this pan so that the bell peppers could stand up on their own, because I couldn't find the ones that were pretty balanced today. But you know, hey, we make it work. We don't let that hold us up. I'm gonna take my Italian cheese. Now I'm not gonna stop here now, so I don't think that's it. Add my Italian cheese. Now you can't mess up on these steps here. And like I said, if he give you any trouble with eating it, you tell him you worked hard on it. Don't tell him you got it from me. Tell him that this is something you learned. You've been taking a little side class in culinary. Tell him something to make him eat it. See, I'm going back again. See, we're going to fill it up. You see how that look? Good. This is good eating. Take my lunch to work with me. It makes it easier for me. See that? And I only had like a little, I think 3-pound little bag of ground beef. I didn't use that much ground beef. I just stretched it. You see that?
I use it all, man.
You hear the camera woman? Don't use it all. The people don't need it all. So you just stuffing it. It's just stuffed. You got rice. Looks good, people. I mean, let's just tell it like it is. Rice, ground beef, quinoa, green onions, mushrooms, diced onions. You can't go wrong with this. You can't go wrong with this, people. And listen, I'm going to top it with the cheddar cheese. And I'm just going to stick it in the oven 15 to 20 minutes, because you got to remember, I'm just wanting the shell to soften up a little. That's it. This is easy. I don't know why people think cooking is so hard. It's easy. You just gotta show us some love, though. You can't come in here half-stepping. And if you half-stepping, you can't be on Mia team. And you better not call my name. Don't call my name. Don't start lying on Mia. Oh, I learned from Mia. You better learn everything from Mia. Tell the truth. Shame the devil. Show what Mia taught you. You see? That's all you do. And you see I made my own little stands to get them to stand up. You're going to take it in there and stick it in the oven. It's going to melt. And hey, baby, that's your stuffed bell pepper. You got everything inside. And if you wanted to get fancy, if you were having a holiday party, once they're cooked off, you can get you a little toothpick, top them off. See that? Make them look real nice. See? I can't tell you everything because you'll be stealing my ideas for when I do my nice events. So, I keep my tops because I can use them for different things. So, I freeze my tops. And I'm going to stick that in the oven. And this is what your stuffed bell pepper shall look like, people. Okay? I'm going to sprinkle a little parsley on top. And it's showtime at the Apollo. Now, like I said, this is Mia from Her Southern Touch. Don't forget to hit the bell. Let me know if you like the new introduction. Let Mia know. Hey, Mia, you're doing big things. And I appreciate the support. I appreciate everything. And if you got any special orders, put them in too, because I got some. But I want to thank everybody. You'll see me in the morning with my Truck Chronicles. And I want to wish everybody a great evening. Thanks. Mia.